Okay, people, I'm gonna put y'all up on something. Granny's old rug that's been sitting in the garage collecting dust could be worth thousands of dollars. Thousands of dollars. But you gotta bring it to us first, because without us, it's worth nothing. But let's get to it. We're gonna start by running this rug through the duster. This duster is like giving your rug 100-hand massage from some really, really, really strong people. Just imagine like The Rock and Jason Statham giving your rug a serious hand chopping massage. That's what this duster is doing to this rug right now. So we're gonna soak this rug with about 15 to 20 gallons of water. And that's why when I hear people say stuff like, oh, I'll just wash my rug at home, or I just do it, like, you really washing your rug at home? First of all, you got 15 gallons of water, but the prices of that's another story. But you got 15 gallons of water, and when you gonna put all that water out? How you gonna get it all out of your house when you ask? Okay, let's go. So yeah, we're gonna soak this rug profusely before adding the rug shampoo. Now the rug shampoo is gonna be determined on the type of rug it is. We have different shampoos because we're professionals here. We have different shampoos for each different type of rug. So for the wool rugs, we got wool shampoo. For the silk rugs, we got silk shampoo. For that, you get it from here. We're gonna start the shampooing process, giving this rug just this deep, rich, just like serious cleaning from front to back, top to bottom, side to side. Then we're gonna hit it with some more water. Then we're gonna squeegee all of that water off. And that's a beautiful thing. That image of squeegeeing water off, and you see the pattern changing. You can really start to see it get clean. And you see here, a lot of these rugs may appear to be clean. Your rug might appear to be clean, and you got your kids laying on the rugs and all that stuff like that, but the rugs ain't clean. The rugs ain't clean, people. And you can see by the dirt that's just coming out of this rug. But let's move on, because now we're gonna roll that thing up. We're gonna roll that rug up tight as a burrito, tight as, something that Snoop Dogg would like to indulge in. But we're gonna roll that thing super tight as we possibly can before throwing it into the centrifuge. Now the centrifuge is gonna spin this rug and flush it. Add some more water to it. We're gonna add some more water, so it's gonna be flushed. So it's kind of like the rinse cycle and a little bit like the dry cycle of your dryer going at the same time. So you got the wash, rinse, and repeat. And sometimes we do have to repeat because sometimes these rugs are really dirty. We're gonna spin that thing. We're gonna get this thing cranking up to 6,000 RPMs. Like that's a ridiculous amount of RPMs. Then get this thing like 6,000 RPMs. Spin this rug out. Then pull it on out. It's gonna look beautiful. And if it doesn't look beautiful, we're gonna do all of that all over again. Yeah. And then we're gonna pull it on out. And then we're gonna hang it up. Let it dry off in the sun. And there you have your beautiful, potentially $1,000 worth of rug that you can still have in your family for a lifetime. Your granny could have left it to you, and now you can leave it to your kids in turn. And I mean, in the end, we just say, you're welcome.